okay. And the others over Leetcode 48. Question is say, I'm on my end is rotate array, rotate image, right? Into my 2x2 matrix. Then I'm gonna say, you rotate the image 90 degrees. My condition be say you're rotating it in place. So I know something that yes, you take into consideration. Now, amount one, we're rotating 90 degrees. One, we have a share, two, we have a share, three, we have a share, right? Now, I feel the same way, four, no, so we move up a hand. Into your example, when you the way. Wow. You the way, right? Into your way. I see. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Into yep, you said higher top. Right. A higher top is running and I don't see a bottom. Right. You say a higher left and a higher right side of the index, right? Into the same thing. I see a right, a higher left. Right. Into you say I see a bottom left, I see a bottom right, top left, top right. And index wise, you see you move from left to right, index no increasing. Right? And I see you move from top to bottom, so index no increasing. However, I see you move from right to left, index no decreasing. You move from bottom to top, index no and also decreasing. So it's something that I say with the 2-3 mile who say sana at the end another thing basically another thing I hear is a question or see you rotate 90 degrees. But what shade we are the way I was saying basically AC. Right? You move 1 about a shed 3 which is top left to top right, right? You need move top left to bottom, top right to bottom right. You need move bottom right to bottom left. You need to move bottom left to top left, right? See in a year move again. But question what can I say and solve in place, which means you to me ensign setting matrix no to another variable near and pack BB and go into the and say it be create temp variable, right? Near pick a first one we near the shell, right? Top left near the shell. Into we are near 7 we near the shell say. 9 near the other shell say. 3 near the other shell. We are near the temp national say. Into basically I'm going to be top left to temp, right? Now for the bottom left to top left, right? Now for the bottom right to bottom left. Now for the top right to bottom left, right? Now for the temp no. It's on the about share top right, right? Into we are basically algorithm never implementing. This is how Sane be. And that thing so I was saying when you say after every loop will be a side way now. Left never ban any back. Right? Now right no so about back. Because you're moving where you are you move into the first one into you say left never ban any back on right no so about back. Right? Bottom no so about cost back, but I know you're dealing with the loop no, right? And these are the things I say what the 2 dream like we should now analyze the question now who do we are solve, right? Into yanko shade way bit myself question. Into first no. And himself left is like the 0 index. Right no A equal to the length of the matrix. And in this case, it doesn't even matter because a n by n matrix no, right? And only just this, right, minus 1 index, right? Into y left a less than right now. And top a equal to left and right, and so a equal to bottom. And for I in range, right minus left. Interior right minus left, and say me catch or say anytime you be move we be out left no be konenim kakra na right no so akona kakra, right? Say yes ana interval length na you loop it through a decrease until left and right no be the same or say just stop it, right? Until I don't think I understand. And no credit makasa until you bet say right no after every loop no right na so better back left no so be konenim back, right? Make sure no count into top left I can see a store top left no temporary way, right? The top left is equal to matrix top left plus I, right? And this is here move bottom left to top left, right? Into matrix top a equal to right. You are question temp into bottom left to top left, right? And then here I say is here move bottom right to bottom left, and then one actual I say right into matrix bottom left a equal to matrix bottom right, right? Now for here move top right to bottom right, the matrix bottom right a equal to top right. 96 here we right, if we top right to bottom right in this here no space we now up down here the temp no barber show, right? Into and then the last piece of the solution, right? To move top left to top right, and no say matrix top right equal to top left, right? Now, like I said earlier, no, after every iteration, be a left and a right and a left and because you movie, way, also we banning back on us, way, right? Into a no near and has so if I did not miss a man, make CPPR, right? This should be the solution. Oh, so someone spell it bottom. So bottom is equal to right. Okay. All right. I just may misplace it, you know, anything I have. But yes, this is how we will rotate an image. This is how I'll be solving Leetcode 48, rotate an image. All right. And that's it. Like I say, 3.